This is exactly how to open your UK TikTok account without VPN, phone number, even without changing your location. Stay with me, I shall show you how to do this. So for you to open your UK account, then head over to your TikTok. When you get to your TikTok, see this place where it is written by continuing with an account located in Nigeria. Tap on that Nigeria. It's not visible. Many people do not notice this. So after I tap on it, select a country. For the country, search for UK or US, whatever this country you want to use. Then sign up with email or Google. Then you verify your email. After verify, choose your birthday, create a password, and you create a nickname, which is your username. Follow this exact step because I'll be giving you another tip that will help you. How you know there's a possibility of your account being monetized is you tap on your TikTok studio, go to your TikTok studio, scroll down. If you see this creator reward, if you see anything as creator reward there, that means your account there's possibility that your account will be monetized. This does not mean that TikTok will not notice that your account is in Nigeria, but you are the one that will make them not notice by building your account. Remember, once you open your TikTok account, do not go changing settings that you don't understand. Once you are done creating your account, at least minimum 2 weeks, you build your account by following UK users, liking UK content, commenting on UK content, and watching their videos for at least 2 weeks or more, so that the TikTok bots will think that you are in the UK. So that is the best hack to do. And another thing to do is go to your apps in your settings, open TikTok, and turn off location for TikTok so that TikTok will not be able to know your precise location. Your TikTok should not be using your location if you want this thing to work perfectly. If not, TikTok will notice that you are in Nigeria. So this is one of the best hacks on how to open your Nigerian TikTok account, and this has been working for a lot of people. So you cannot dull on this. If you want to see more tricks like this, subscribe to this channel, follow, like, and comment.